As we get started here, keep a close eye on the injured leg of Adrian Neville. I have a feeling we'll know if it's healed very early on.
Yeah, and given that Corey Graves is a submission specialist, you would think he'll be targeting the leg that he injured just a few short weeks ago.
You have to wonder if Adrian Neville should have even agreed to this match, Ken.
I agree.
And he breaks the hold. I guess he wants to try something else.
I don't know what more you'd want to do to another man. Corey Graves has really gained some ground here with his prodigious offense. Very, very painful hold here. What's he going to do? He's in perfect position. Complete control. Cole, do we know an injury report on Adrian Neville? Because if we know it, you can bet Corey Graves knows it. And that will undoubtedly determine his offense here tonight.
We do know there was some bruising and some straining involved. Basically, the doctors have said it all comes down to how much pain Adrian Neville can tolerate.
Well, come on. Adrian Neville isn't going to back out of an opportunity to exact revenge from Corey Graves just because of a bum leg. You know that, Cole.
And there's the reversal.
He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Submission attempt here. Looking to damage that Achilles tendon.
There's no escaping this.
These two were partners. They were friends. Heck, they were champions. How does somebody just flip like Corey Graves has?
Well, something's not right with Corey Graves. I suspect he's overcome by jealousy of Adrian Neville.
You know, be jealous, that's fine. But to attack your supposed friend the way Corey Graves did, that's just appalling.
Reversal.
Oh, that was a serious shot there.
A stiff shot with the elbow. Submission hold locked in. We may see a tap out right here.
Look at him trying to use all the strength and power he can muster to escape this. I guess he's done with that move.
Yeah, but what's he going to do next?
You hear how his leg connected?
Corey Graves gets out of trouble, and quickly.
Reversal. Adrian Neville showing his prowess. Oh, man. Like a shark smelling blood, Corey Graves is taking it to Adrian Neville.
And check out the look of sheer joy and excitement.
We got a cover. Two. A kick out. And he almost had him. Oh, look at this. He's hurt. He's hurt bad.
Corey Graves is sizing up the situation.
And he does it one more time.
Man, these two have so much history, Cole. I'd have to imagine that they know what each other is thinking in that ring.
And even scarier is that they probably know how much pain the other is willing to withstand in order to win here tonight.
Yeah, this certainly isn't your run-of-the-mill one-on-one match. This is a true grudge match. Uh-oh. Oh, man, what a neck breaker. Ow, what an elbow.
He saw that one come. Will it be? Two. Here's the cover. That should do it right there. Two. Lateral press. And this has got to be it. Two. He's going for the pin. Shoulders down. Two. He's got him covered.
Here's a cover.
Two. He wasted no time going for that pin. He may get the 3 count right here. He's got him covered. And will this be it? Two. He's going for the pin. There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? He wasted no time going for that pin. This could do it. Two. He's going for the pin. He thinks he has it. Two. There's another great kick. There's the cover. Can he do it?
Oh, wow. What a fierce kick. And that's a shot that could drop a grizzly.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Oh, no. Oh!
He's in a bad spot here.
Oh, mama!
Here we go with Adrian Neville. King, it doesn't look like Adrian Neville's injured leg has curbed his offense much here.
No, but I can assure you it hurts. Adrian Neville is a special competitor, though. He can compartmentalize the pain and focus on the task at hand.
And that task is ridding himself once and for all of his former friend, now enemy, Corey Graves.
Oh, my. Look at this.
Now Adrian Neville could have this match in the bag.
Will it be? And an early kick out. These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Nice reversal there. And Corey Graves has momentum. Oof, man. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez.
Corey Graves better shake it off quickly or who knows?
His shoulders are down.
These two men were once thought to be perfect strangers. Now they're perfect enemies.
And Adrian Neville is really taking it to his former partner.
Well, what did you expect? Adrian Neville is fueled by revenge. I wouldn't be surprised if he...
Ridiculous maneuver by Corey Graves.
Can he score the pin? 1.
And he's able to get out. Devastating.
And a jaw-jacking punch. And he hits the drop kick. What impact. The quick kick.
Adrian Neville making a move.
Did you hear how his leg connected? He was able to reverse that. Perched high, this could be big.
Uh-oh, careful, careful. Oh, God, no. A thunderous explosion of humanity.
Ah! Man, there's no getting up from that.
1, 2. And he scores a decision.
King, it doesn't look like Adrian Neville's injured leg has curbed his offense much here.
No, but I can assure you it hurts. Adrian Neville is a special competitor, though. He can compartmentalize the pain and focus on the task at hand.
And that task is ridding himself once and for all of his former friend, now enemy, Corey Graves.
These two men were once thought to be perfect strangers. Now they're perfect enemies.
And Adrian Neville is really taking it to his former partner.
Well, what did you expect? Adrian Neville is fueled by revenge. I wouldn't be surprised if he doesn't see anybody else in this arena. Just Corey Graves. He's that focused. Look out! That's it. He's out.
And will this be it?
Corey Graves gathering attention in a hurry. She may have to submit here. Referee asking. Oh, the longer he stays in this, the closer he is to losing the match.
A big point there.
These two were partners, they were friends, heck, they were champions. How does somebody just flip like Corey Graves has?
Well, something's not right with Corey Graves. I suspect he's overcome by jealousy of Adrian Neville.
You know, be jealous, that's fine, but to attack your supposed friend the way Corey Graves did, that's just appalling.
This hold is locked in really good.
Yeah, he's got to get the pressure off somehow.
Here is your winner, Corey Graves.
Corey Graves with a big win over his former partner.
Yeah, Graves certainly looked impressive tonight. However, let's not forget that he did soften Neville up a few weeks ago.